How do I turn this around? What's up, guys? So I cut this little piece off here so the hoses can come through, both the stringers, and this other little piece down here so that the gas line will come through. We're going to make accommodations behind this stringer for other wires and controls to the motor from the center console here. And that, initially I was going to mold this live tanks we're gonna throw in here, but we found a company down in Florida that we're going to sublet the work to, I guess you could say, at a much cheaper cost. That's what they do. So save this guy a couple bucks. We're gonna do that. And what else? Not much. I'm about to mold my deck pieces so I can start laying these in. So that'll be up next. So I don't know. Go ahead, subscribe if you've seen this. Like, share, all that good stuff. Thanks, guys.